for a word to show it is a function. Square brackets are used for arrays. CSS decorations. Braces are showing the scope of a function. A function is defined with the keyword, followed by name, followed by parenthesis. Structure HTML with semantically rich tags. An array literal is a list of 0 or more expressions, representing an array element. Closed in square brackets. Screen reader accessibility. TH tag defined header cell. Each function creates a new scope. Header cells contain header information. Variables defined inside the function are not accessible or visible from outside the function. Columns are used to arrange data in an organized way. Scope attributes specify whether a header cell is a header for a column, row, or group of columns or rows. Only can be used by screen readers. Clear comparisons made between two things. Arrays use numbers to access elements. Use map. An array is an ordered collection of data. Width. Primitive. A row specify visible height of a text area in lines. Object. The row cells are established with data cell and header cell elements. Used to store multiple values under a single variable name. JavaScript. SQL. Python. PHP. Bootstrap. A regular variable stores one value. Time Berners-Lee. The bar element defines text as a variable. A scope attribute is only used in chevron element. A scope attribute supports TD and TH elements. Scheme attribute specifies scheme to interpret the properties value. Scrolling attribute. The border style can have want for values. Add a border to a div. Return the border property values of a div element. The purpose of classic is to specify the URL of the implementation for an embedded object. Codebase is effectively a framework built with Bootstrap 5 ECM script. Codebase defines the base URL for a class ID, data file or archive specified with the object tag. The chevron chevron element defines column within a table. It defines comment semantics on all comment cells. Rotate function. Primitive value is lowest level of language implementation. Primitives are immutable, non-breaking space. Primitives have same API identities such as positioning, rotating, scaling, patching components. Components as primitives. Application programming interfaces. The object tag defines a container for an external resource. An external resource can be a web page, picture, media player, plugin application, ampersand lowercase in the SP semicolon. The object HTML element represents an external resource, which can be treated as an image. Nested browsing context. Resource handled by a plugin. Global attributes. Degree. Subject. Thick solid 0000 FF. Archive. Gradient. L equals A equals N equals G. Ampersand number 38 semicolon. Order. Turn. Style. Ampersand number 163 semicolon. Alert. Classic. Radiant. Context menu. Ampersand number 174 semicolon. Code base. Z direction. Drop zone. Mark. Tabs. Hit. Attaching events. Tab index. Character. Drop downs. Data. Accessory. Attribute. Construct. Modal.
Modals. Declare. Draggable. Input mode. Height. dir. Translate. ASCII name. Class. Auto-capitalize. Hex. Standby. Hidden. Idled. Unicode. Type. ID. A variable name must start with a letter or an underscore character, cannot start with a digit, can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, are case sensitive, cannot contain spaces, and have no length limit. Regular expression is a formalized string of characters that define a pattern that matches against a string of any length as long as the any length string contains lowercase and uppercase letters as well as numerals. The TD tag defined a standard data cell. An HTML table consists of one table element and one or more TR, TH, and TD elements. The TR defines table row. Attribute values. Format \URI. It is used to define the format or points to a URI that contains the information of the value inside the content attribute. The HTML frame scrolling attribute is used to specify whether the scroll bars will be displayed or not in the frame element. The scroll bars is used when content is larger than a frame element. Attribute values. Auto. Constructs made available in programming languages allow developers to create complex functionality more easily. An HTML entity is a piece of text or string that begins with an ampersand and ends with a semicolon. An element with position is positioned relative to the nearest positioned ancestor. The position CSS property sets how an element is positioned in a document. The rotate function defines a transformation that rotates an element around a fixed point on the 2D plane without deforming it. Use the rotate arc function to rotate an image in a two-dimensional space. The scale function defines a transformation that resizes an element on the 2D plane. The scale property defines the values for how much an element is scaled in X and Y directions. The attach element presupposes a mechanism for linking HTML components to elements in an HTML document. The archive attribute is to specify a comma-separated list of URLs containing relevant archives.